Hey there guys, Chet here. Today I'm going to compare Microsoft Project and Excel, two tools from the same family that are often used to manage projects but in very different ways. I'll walk you through their features, user experience, integrations, and which one is better depending on how structured or flexible your projects are. So by the end of this video, you'll know which tool fits your workflow the best. First off, let's look at the big picture. Microsoft Project is a dedicated project management platform. It's built specifically to help teams plan, track, and manage complex projects with detailed timelines, task dependencies, and resource allocation. It really is best suited for structured environments like construction, engineering, and enterprise-level project teams. Now, on the other hand, Excel is a powerful spreadsheet tool that can be adapted for project management, but that's not really what it was designed for. It gives you complete flexibility to create your own tracking system, but it does lack the built-in project features that come with Microsoft Project. Now let's talk about features. Microsoft Project is loaded with project-specific tools, Gantt charts, critical path analysis, milestone tracking, resource management, and workload balancing. Everything is designed to help you build out your project plan, allocate people and time, and adjust based on progress. It's especially helpful when you're managing large-scale projects with multiple team members and stakeholders. The automated scheduling engine alone is a huge time saver, helping you handle task dependencies and avoid conflicts with just a few clicks. Excel, meanwhile, is much more open-ended. You can absolutely manage a project with it. You can create task lists, timelines, budgets, and even Gantt charts using templates or manual formatting. But everything has to be built from scratch. There's no automation for scheduling, there's no built-in dependency tracking, and no project-specific reports unless you build them yourself. That said, its flexibility is what makes it attractive for smaller teams or individual projects that don't need all of the bells and whistles. Next up, user experience. Almost everyone knows how to use Excel. It's familiar and it's easy to get started with, but as your project grows bigger and more complex, managing it in a spreadsheet gets a little harder. On the other hand, Microsoft Project takes more time to learn, but once you understand it, it really gives you much more control and visibility. It's made for project managers and comes with built-in structure, so you don't have to figure everything out on your own. When it comes to integrations, both tools work really well within the Microsoft ecosystem. Excel syncs easily with other apps like Outlook, Teams, and Power BI, making it a great reporting tool. Microsoft Project also integrates with those tools, but its real strength comes when you combine it with Power Platform to build out end-to-end project workflows and dashboards. You can also link your project files with SharePoint for better collaboration. So which one should you choose? Well, if your projects are complex, involve multiple team members, and need careful scheduling, Microsoft Project is absolutely worth it. It's built for serious project management and gives you the tools to stay on top of every detail. But if your work is more lightweight or you need the freedom to set things up your own way, Excel is still a solid option. Just be prepared to do more of the heavy lifting yourself. All right, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.